I need somewhere to store this shit that is in my front yard. My plan is to make a storage lift that I will have in the ceiling of my carport. One thing to think about is where to place the winch. If you fix the winch to the ground, the load on the roof will be double that of the lift. And this one we should not even talk about. I think a good solution is to fix the winch on the lift. Then the load on the roof is the same as the total weight of the lift. So this is what my design looks like in CAD. The winch is mounted here in this end. Then we have 4 wires that travel all the way to the other end. Then we have a system of pulleys that makes the magic happen. So let's build this thing.